Better Boat sent me a roll of their woodworking tape to try out, and I thought, why not? What's a better way to do that than with a joining jig? I need to mill down a few pieces of walnut, and I need a good straight edge here. I don't have a joiner, so what better way to test out some woodworking tape than with the joining jig? I'm going to take a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. It's 9 inches wide by 4 feet long. I got some HDPE runners for my table saw sled. We're going to attach everything together with the woodworking tape. I'm also going to use it to hold my workpiece to the joining jig as I cut my straight edge on there. So we're going to see what this stuff is worth. I promise you I'm going to use what I need to get this on there. It might not want to come up if I do it right. Okay. Okay, 2 pieces. Why not let's go 3 to make sure it stays down, right? I'll take my piece, hang it over the edge just a little bit. I set it in place. Look at that. Ooh. I'll show you that one. That is straight. Way easier than I thought it should have been. I can actually say that I'm super happy with this jig. I don't think you're gonna get that better on a joiner. There's no daylight whatsoever. That is perfectly flat across the whole thing. The Better Boat woodworking tape, it worked well. I was able to put my large piece of walnut on it, run it across the table saw and get a nice straight cut on it. It definitely won't have any issue holding templates in place for routing around and stuff like that. So yeah, I like it. It worked well, and I'll be using it on other projects.